Friends, keeping in mind few important aspects required to crack UPSC exam, we came up with a new initiative. The aspects that are important for UPSC exam are: you have to definitely study daily current affairs. You have to practice prelims questions in order to develop that common sense, elimination methods, guessing to increase prelims score. You have to have a daily mains answer writing practice in order to score more in the mains. And you should have the knowledge of static syllabus that is behind the current affairs. So keeping in mind all the four, the initiative we started is, we are giving 20 prelims questions and 3 mains questions every day based on the current affairs sourced from The Hindu, Indian Express and PAB. And for all the 20 MCQs, we give a detailed answer explanation that in one way covers 20 topics of current affairs. So none of the current affairs of the day will be left out because we are giving 20 questions. And the 3 mains questions are based on the major issues. For example, presently Israel-Palestine issue, and also the 3 mains questions are based on the UPSC main syllabus specifically. For example, today there is an article on periodic labor force survey that comes under the employment of GS3. And another article is on emerging technologies like AI, which comes under science technology applications. And this article on environmental impact assessment, which is directly mentioned in the UPSC syllabus. So like that, our mains questions are based on UPSC syllabus and major issues. So if you practice these questions every day, it will help you for prelims as well as mains answer writing practice. Also, it helps you in covering all aspects of current affairs, all the important facts, information. And in the prelims, we also give the static portion behind the current affairs. For example, if the issue is Israel-Palestine, we give a question like, which of the following countries share the border with Israel? For if there is an article on governor, we give which of the following are the discretionary powers of governor. So like the static portion behind current affairs will also be covered. So this initiative you can access in your Telegram channel. In the description, you can find the link of our Telegram channel. Solve all these 20 prelims questions and write all the 3 mains answers every day. It will not take more than 1 hour of your time, and go through all the model answers and answer explanation, and any critical key points you can underline or you can make a note which will help you in revising before the exam also. So friends, make use of this free initiative which will help you in answer writing practice, prelims practice, covering daily current affairs, making notes and revision. So in all aspects, it's very helpful initiative for you. Take care.